everyone! Look, oh, ang orange ko dahil ang orange ng paligid. Look at that. Ganda ng langit, diba? Meron na naman ako pang Instagram photo. I just had my dinner and now I have to take this pill, no, this medicine capsules that I have to take for this. Hindi na siya masyado nagdudugo and sana hindi na siya masundot ng food para hindi na siya damugo. So inumin ko muna to all at the same time. Hi everyone! Hi! Charlie is back. So this, ayan, majority.
Pinabati ko nga pa rin po, hindi ako dyan.
So yun guys, it's Tuesday and if it's Tuesday, it's Domino's Pizza's Day for our wave. And grabe guys, nakakaloka yung training namin kanina. Ito yung pinaka-crucial part ng aming training, yung product training. Kasi pag-aaralan namin yung navigation sa system. Bakit blurred? Parang siguro may moist yung aking...
Nag-promise naman ako eh.
Nagmo-moist yung yung lens. As I was saying, grabe guys, umulan kasi kanina. Kaya tingnan nyo, nagmo-moist yung lens. Umulan kanina, medyo mainit. Ano man tawag dun sa ganitong...
Trigera.
Anong tawag sa ganitong klase ng weather?
Bad weather.
No, in English. That's...
Hindi ako mahilig mag-test.
Weather?
No!
Sad weather. Paggutom!
No!
Weather? Whether you like it or not?
When it's
Center day?
no.
Shane na nga.
Dito na kami sa SM.
Dito tayo sa taas.
And didiretso na kami ng...
Elevator tayo.
Asan na ba ang Domino's? Where the hell is Domino's? Oh, di ba clear na ngayon yung image kasi wala nang moist dito sa loob ng mall. We're going to take the elevation. Elevation?
Elevator?
I know it's elevator. Kaya naman. Ay, akala niya sa akin.
Afternoon, Kuya. So there you go.
Ang cute naman ng elevation. Transparent. Transparency. So there's Domino's Pizza. Daming nakapila.
Ayaw mo?
So yan.
Okay lang naman, madam. Kung isang life lang kayo.
Our order just came in.
Yay!
Oopsie!
Ay, dalawang lang pizza.
Wes, bala mo yan. Kakagalit talaga sa akin. Parang kulang yata to.
It's labis pa nga na isa yan.
That's a lot of pizza.
Katuon.
Oh my. Hi everyone.
Hi, Ryan. Hi, everyone.
Alright,
Wait.
I'm too near. My face is too big. Hello, let's eat.
So yan, kakain na kami.
Sino?
TikTok namin.
Pagkilagan pa kasi.
Sa kamarig doon na. Parang
So yun guys, tapos na kaming kumain and pauwi na. Kumukuha ng resibo. Ano ba yung resibo?
Kasi sa Alvin pala.
So what can you say about this Tuesday? Pizza Day?
It's been wonderful.
How was it?
It's been wonderful.
Wonderful.
It's beautiful. Have fun with friends.
Yes. So yun.
Yeah, they're all good. Busog. Busog na tapos. Nag-open forum din kami. So,
Yeah, dami namin na pag-usapan.
yeah, we're still in the process of getting to know each other.
Yes, that's
And
right.
building foundation. What is that?
Since we're about to
Pumunta na tayong Puerto.
Enchanted muna,
Saturday
grabe
tayo,
naman. So yun guys, babay na muna. Babay na rin sa kanila. Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Goodbye! Alright guys, so I'm home na. Antok na antok ako sa jeep kanina. Tutulog ako ng maaga ngayon dahil kailangan ko pumasok ng maaga bukas. Sabi ng trainer ko, 5:30 AM daw, kailangan nandun na kami. Medyo nagloko kasi yung aking, well, hindi naman actually nagloko. Nagkamali yata ako ng enter ng password dun sa system na ginagamit namin, sa tools na ginagamit namin. So, I have to go to work early tomorrow to fix it. Ayun, tulog na muna ako. See you later. Good evening guys. So, it's Thursday evening. And medyo kanina pa ako nakarating. But I just want to thank my friend, yung classmate ko ng high school, Maylin Marundan. Maylin, thank you so much dito sa pasalubong mo sa akin ha. Guys, yung classmate ko na yon ay galing ng Taiwan. You know, syempre di ba kapag mga balikbayan, dadala sila ng mga pasalubong. And she gave me this. She gave me toothpaste. That's actually 3. Nandun na sa baba yung isa. She gave me Dove soap. And 6 bars. And a bottle of Pantene shampoo. She also gave me chocolates. And kalahati na lang yan nung binigay niya. Kasi kinain na namin yung iba. So, thank you so much, Maylin, for your pasalubong, and ingat ka pagbalik mo doon sa Taiwan. Alright guys, so I just peeled this mask off of my face, and now my face feels so smooth. Just lang. Alright, meron akong tagyawat. But, guys, ngayon ko lang napansin, no, mayroon palang ibang klase ng 10 pesos. Ito sa inyo, ha. Ito, there. Says, Republika ng Pilipinas. Apolinario Mabini. And then on the other side, there. It says, there you can see it says Talino at Paninindigan, 150 taon, 1864 to 2014. And this round thing I mean on the round says Bangko, in this circle right here says Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So yun guys, I think I'm gonna keep this coin. I'm going to keep it and make it my lucky charm. Okay guys, it is now 9:36 PM and medyo inaantok na rin ako. May pasok pa bukas. So I think that is it for today's vlog. Please subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog.
Bye!